The most exciting worlds that we're all waiting to see are the TRAPPIST-1 system. TRAPPIST-1 is a red dwarf star that's orbited by 7 Earth-sized worlds, several of which are in the habitable zone around this star. And so if there's like any place that we know of that could have life, this is probably going to be it. Webb is going through these worlds one by one, examining their atmospheres or lack thereof. And so far, we only had 2 planets analyzed during this first year. We got TRAPPIST-1b, which is kind of like a super Mercury. And not surprisingly, there was no atmosphere. But the second world, TRAPPIST-1c, is one that astronomers were quite excited about. They're hoping that this might be like a super Venus. Unfortunately, again, no atmosphere. So we've got 2 rocky, airless worlds orbiting. But there's still 5 more to go. The ones that are in the habitable zone come up next. And so stay tuned this year when we find out the thrilling conclusion to what's going on with the TRAPPIST-1 system. In the world of exoplanets, we often don't get pictures. We get like the spectra data. We find out what the chemistry of the planet is. We're able to know what its orbital period is, the radius of the planet, the mass of the planet, but you don't get a picture. But if the conditions are right and you've got the right telescope, then you can actually take a direct image of an exoplanet. And this has been done from the ground many times, but Webb was able to take its first direct image of an exoplanet. The planet, again, is not Earth-like. It has 9 times the mass of Jupiter and orbits an A-type star, which is a very young, hot star that is much more massive than the sun.